Alright, so the most asked homework question was 1-7. It was asked, I think it made it by 1 vote, 11 votes, so I want to go over 1-7 with you guys. It says, find the equation of the line that, and there's two different prompts. The first one is, passes through the points 4, 8, and the second point is 8, 17. So we're going to look at this first, and it's actually going to be really helpful for us to do this in point slope form, or we can even think of it in HK form. So this is kind of to come, and we'll build this understanding next week. But you might remember from Frank's class seeing this form, where you have your stretch, and then you have your horizontal and vertical shifts. Well, we can apply the same thing here, and we can think of this A as our slope, and our HK as literally our point. So in other words, we can think of this as point slope form. This is also on your summer quiz. So if we're going to go and find the slope for this, we can label this x1, y1, x2, y2, and find our slope. So we'll find our slope first, or find our m. So we have 17 minus 8 all over 8 minus 4, and we end up getting 9 comma 4 is our slope. And all it tells us is that it passes through these 2 points. So if that's the case, I can write this equation one of 2 ways. My slope is the same as my vertical stretch, so I can write this as y equals 9 over 4 x, and now I can use my HK form, minus 4 x, oops, hold on, lost connection there real quick, x minus 4 plus 8, and what that means is, here's your horizontal shift, I'm moving 4 to the right and 8 up. That'll take me from 0, 0, my original locator point, to 4, comma 8, which is a point on the graph, with the slope of 9 over 4. Another way of writing this is with my other point, y equals 9 over 4, and we have x minus 8 plus 17. This would also give you an equation, same slope, different point, but both points are on the line. So both of these would work. The second question is, find the equation of a line that is parallel. Parallel, when you hear that word, you need to think same slope. Parallel the result in part A, but goes through the point negative 12, 20. Okay, negative 12, comma 20. Again, I can think of this as my HK. And I'm going to use the same slope as I have before, because it's parallel, so it's 9 over 4. And now, I can go ahead and write in my HK. So I'm going the opposite direction, so I want to go to the left, so I'm going to add 12, and I'm going up 20. And notice this means going to the left and going up, which would be negative 12, comma 20. It would match this point. Here's your equation for this line. Alright, we're going to deal a lot more with HK form and point slope next week, but you can see how much easier this is than slope-intercept form for problems like this. Alright, hope this helps.